Friday, January 7th. Beautiful day here in Colorado. I am out here in the metro, just cranking her up. Been a minute, but I'm super excited about her progress. We finally got new brake system. So now my next goal is to try and get some tires on these split rims. As you can see, these tires are shot like that. They will split one open. That sucker don't explode. But anyway, yeah, so we need to source out. I have some contacts to get some new tires on here. We got some body work. We're just gonna try and do a lot of this ourselves. We're not doing a whole full restoration off the chassis. I gotta get some lights. I need to measure these. But I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see underneath right now. Let me see if I can do it on this side. You can see underneath there, maybe. See brake lines. Wait. Brake lines. Maybe. Brake lines. Brake booster. So we gotta. My husband's gonna try and do these doors himself. I don't know. I tried to get with the local school to see if they was interested in taking this body on as a school project, but the instructor has not returned my call, so I'm taking that as a negative. So yeah, she's running good. She's got brakes now, so we can drive it. Thinking about just ordering a new radiator. This one has a pinhole leak. My husband fixed all the other leaks, but that one, I don't know, just came from out of nowhere. But here's the side view of her. Get on up here. That's the back part. She's all empty. Nice and spacious back there. I definitely can stand up back here. Hubby can't. He got to duck a little bit. So these are the doors from the inside. They look like some Brinks doors. I see a little hole up there. We got a little crack, rust right there. So, I mean, she needs some work. She needs some work. Her grill is in the garage, I believe. But yeah. quick update. So tires, I think it's next. Oh, and we got a whole new wire harness in the house, so the husband can start on that. We're hooking up all the electrical. I'm hoping all that goes well. The mechanic told us they think we need some type of bearing on our clutch. Cause you guys hear that? When you push it down, makes that noise. But yeah, that's the update for the 1957. Got it on my t-shirt. International Harvester Metro. That's what we're working with.